How can I renovate my room cheaply? Bedroom is the spot that has a direct relationship with de-stress and relaxation. No matter if the existing bedroom is boring and has nothing that excites you when you sleep here every day, in this blog, we will be sharing some outstanding room renovation ideas, bedroom renovation ideas, and bedroom remodel ideas that are both beautiful and budget-friendly. Play with the colors. Light shades. Most people love going with light shades these days when it comes to bedroom color. People adore colors like white, beige, or pale gray because they work so well to create tranquil, relaxing environments. Your bedroom will appear more airy and spacious with these colors. Dark shades are evergreen. Dark shades normally do not find a place in most of the bedrooms, but when they do, they look gorgeous. So, if you are on the other side and want to make bold choices, mix and match with your idea. Well, this one is for the people who love experimenting when they are confused between the two colors and want them both in their bedroom. You need to keep in mind that balancing is the art of mixing and matching. Pair a dark shade with a lighter color to make it pleasing to the eyes. Or add a different color to one wall and a light shade to the rest of the three. Tile selection for awesome bedroom. Are you thinking about a modern bedroom floor tiles design as you remodel your bedroom? Start with the tile selection first to escalate the bedroom's overall appearance and feel. Orient Bell Tiles offers a range of tiles specially designed for the bedroom. Modern bedroom floor tile design. Updating your bedroom floor tiles can dramatically change the look of your room. Here are some modern bedroom floor tile design options that are both stylish and practical. Woods are evergreen. If you love the look of hardwood floors but prefer something easier to maintain and less expensive, wood effect tiles like DGVT Venezia Oak Wood and Crust Sahara Grainy Choco are great options. Such tiles add warmth and beauty to your bedroom by evoking the natural grain and feel of wood. Ceramic tiles. Ceramic tiles are renowned for their longevity and variety of artistic options. New River Smoky, New Sea Wave White, and natural rotorwood silver can give your bedroom an elegant and modern look. Patterned ceramic tiles and stone tiles. Tiles such as HNPGVT Stone Veins Beige DK, Carving Grey Stone Marble or BHF Seppo Stone Beige Multi-FT give your room a distinctive texture and are incredibly durable. Because they have a distinctive design, your floor becomes truly unique. When you give them a place in your bedroom, it looks more inviting and warm. Marble tiles. Marble tiles are a great choice for an opulent and classic appearance. Go for Super Gloss Emperador Honey Marble as it gives your bedroom a hint of refinement and elegance. PGVT Classic Diner Marble Beige, BDM Anti-Skid Diamond Carrara or PGVT Fog Onyx Beige tile are some good options from the marble category, having distinct veining patterns. Tiles for large and small bedrooms. For a large bedroom, you can choose tiles with a wood look, vitrified material, or something similar to a stone look. For a modern, industrial vibe, think about carving Soft Marble Creamer or PGVT Endless Soffiter Beige, which are light in color and come in both glossy and matte finish and are ideal for your bedroom. Green spaces here and there. So you've picked out your killer tiles, and your bedroom is still, something is lacking. That lively, fresh energy that comes solely from plants. Adding plants to your home can improve its overall ambience and quality of sleep by eliminating pollutants and boosting oxygen levels. Smart storage solutions. No matter how beautifully you have transformed your bedroom, if it is not well arranged and managed, even the coziest one will look small and congested. So, always introduce clever storage options to maintain an organized and clutter-free environment. Modern lighting fixtures. When it comes to totally altering the vibe of your bedroom, good lighting is just as crucial as the other elements. Introduce contemporary styles to give your room a lift. Plush bedding. When someone asks you about the bed, what first comes to mind? And since this piece of furniture is the main attraction here, why not put in extra effort to decorate it? Purchase some premium linens, such as original cotton, satin, silky, and plush, for your skin. If you feel like and subscribe us for more updates.